What's up? What's up? It's Mysterious Lloyd, the alpha male. Ndile Gwena. Today I'm doing a video about what I said. I've been saying this years ago that most musicians that they play at Parapara FM, especially musicians like Rems, Bomo, all those people that you see even on SABC Ribu TV, most of them they are not really musicians. They are just copycats. They cannot do even a track on themselves or on their own. What they do, they assemble tracks and then they practice on that track, the tune, and they use the beat and the like. They've been doing this for years, and yet they are played on SABC because most of those people who are working at the radio, they don't know jack about music. They don't know musically. They don't know shit. So because they don't know shit musically, they cannot know whether the stuff is original or is copied. So most of the music is plagiarized. Even on Chima, most of the judges, you can see that they don't know shit about music. That's why all those people, they get away without having the copyright of the music. So recently another guy came to me confronting me that you were saying Rems is a copycat and blah 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 blah. So he brought Rems' track, which is called Atina Ndaba 9, which features Mesophil, to me, so that I can prove to him whether it's copied or not. But I told him that every track that you can bring from Rems, because what I know, Rems is not a musician. It's just a copycat. I told him that I can tell you where you got that track from. Both myself as a musician and as a big fan of music, I follow music, I listen to music. That's what I do most of the time. So I had to prove to him this track Atina Ndaba 9. So it plays like, let me play it now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm playing it. It features Meso. I will show you where he took it from. Let me go further on it. So this is the track. This is the track we are talking about. So this is Rems' track. Now I'm about to show you the source where the track comes from. Because myself, most people, they think that I just talk. But I know what I'll be talking about. This is the source. The track is from Takura, a Zimbabwean hip hop artist. Let me play the video of Takura. You see. Well, listen to this one.
You don't even know what it feel like, yeah, babe. When you see it tight, don't go, please stay here tonight. Let me hold you down, cause it feel right, yeah, babe. Why you so stay shy, don't go. Baby, don't leave me tonight. Ain't nobody else. Mama, baby, yes, and you. Wakadida ukandibulira to. Unodibata sezaire control. Cloud nine, I'm on top of the world. Wakaneta mesete wajira boss. Let me be the one and you can be the boss. One time, let me love you. Long time, let me love you. Ain't going nowhere. My mother. Emma to be the santa, my mother. My mother. Abara come time, my mother. My mother. Emma to be the santa, my mother. My mother. Abara come time, 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 my mother. Would you let me be your man, baby? Would you let me let your candle?
Yeah, you
Stay down, stay down.
you hear the source of the track, ne? So now most people, they have to know that all those guys, most of the Chivenda musicians, they're all of them, most of them, I can say about 90% of them, they are copycats. All those people, most of them that they play on radio. Because most of those guys who work on radio, they are just guys, they just bring their CVs, they take them to radio. But most of those guys, they don't have passion of music. They don't have the music passion. So they don't know shit about music. Even if you bring them good music, sometimes that's why sometimes you see they don't play good music. They just play those music of copycats because they don't know how they create those music, and they don't know how music business is run. They don't know shit about music. And also, if you check most of those musicians, they take their stuff, they take it to radio, they go to other guys who don't know shit what they are talking about. They don't know shit, they are not even intellectual. They go to guys like SABC Rio. Is also a copycat that can not have his own name. That's why he had to give himself a name to say SABC. But SABC, we all know SABC, but he calls himself SABC Rev, which is also copycatting. You hear those guys like Pro Hid. It's a copycated name from Pro Kid, you see. If you just listen to most of those names, they cannot have even their own names. Yeah, you see Mizo, Phil, there is Mizo. There is all of those names. They just copy the name from someone. There is Kabomo, there is Bomo. You see, Bomo is from Kabomo. Most of those people, they copy those names. They even copy the tracks. Or most of the what they do is copied. You see, that's why myself I find no reason for me to be competing with those people, because myself, I'm a musician, and those guys, they are not musicians, they're just copycats, you see. So myself, even if they win those awards and the like, it's advantageous to me, because even I win. Even if they think that I lose, I win, because as time goes on, the truth will come out, and they'll find out that who is the real musician. Because all those things that they are copying, it's like Rem's been copying from Cloud Kelly, from P Square, and P Square, when it fed, he started to copying from Davido. Just imagine if Davido was copying P Square, where will he go? Nowhere. So those guys, they are not going anywhere. And if they don't change the way they categorize their music and the way they judge their music, the adjudicators of Chima and all those people on radio, I think Chivenda music is going nowhere. If they continue on the path that they are taking it through. So that's what I have to say for today. But if you have got any track that you think from Chivenda artists, those that they play at Parapara, and those that they recognize the most at Chima, if they have got those tracks that you think they are original, you can come to me so that I can find I can show you the source where they come from. You see that Bomo tracks 1 in a million. If you want to know the source, that's Mavado's track called Caribbean Girls. Listen to that track. All of those tracks, most of the about 90% of those songs, especially those songs that you think they are good, they are not from them. They plagiarize the songs and without the rights, you see. So myself, I don't think Chivenda music is going anywhere. Peace. I'm gone.